Say goodbye to paper clutter and hello to secure, eco-friendly banking by mastering Citigroup's statements. First, navigate to the Citigroup Online Banking login page. You'll need your user ID and password to securely access your account. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Sign On button to proceed. After logging in, locate the Statements or Statement section in your account dashboard. This is usually found in the primary navigation menu or as a prominent link on your account summary page. On the Statements page, you'll find an option to enroll. Look for a button or checkbox that says something like Go Paperless or Enroll in Estatements. Click this option to begin the process. You'll then be presented with the terms and conditions for the Estatements service. Read through these carefully, and then check the box to indicate your agreement. Once you've agreed to the terms, submit your enrollment. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that you've successfully enrolled. Your future statements will now be delivered electronically. To access your statements, simply return to the Statements section anytime. You'll see a list of your available statements organized by date. Click on the statement you wish to view. It will either open directly in your browser, say PDF, or prompt you to download it. You can then save, print, or review your statements at your convenience. It's that simple to transition to a greener, more secure banking experience with Citigroup Statements.